Hi everybody, I am back with a new tutorial and today I'm going to show you the ways to recover Tinder account or reset forgotten password. So in order to reset your forgotten password, you just have to follow the steps. You could do the same steps from the application or an browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. When you open up a browser, type in tinder.com and head over to this page. While you're on this page, you want to click on the login button, and then you want to click on whether you want to log in with phone number or Facebook or Google account. I'm going to go with phone number, so I'm going to type in my information and click the next button. As I've done it, so it's gonna send me the code through an SMS. I have to enter in that. So when you receive a code, you just have to go ahead and enter in there and tap the next button. On the other field, you want to click on forgot password, and it's gonna ask you to type in your registered contact information, either be it your phone number or an email address. Type in that, and if you have entered the phone number, same thing will happen, that is enter the verification code, and you'll be asked or given a place where you can actually change your password. Likewise, if you have entered the email address, then it's going to be sent through a link. So you just have to go ahead and press the link and reset your account. So this way you could go ahead and recover Tinder account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.